la la, ooh la la. Every day's a happy day. I want to learn, I want to play, I want to help, I want to stay, and let today be that day.
Alright, we have a Mega Bloks Paw Patrol the Movie Chase City Cruiser. Comes with 2 vehicles, and it looks like it comes with a tower too. Comes with a cruiser and the motorcycle. Alright, so it looks pretty cool. Comes with a chase. Here's the little close-up of the block. And here's the other ones. There's a Rubble and a Marshall. We have that too. We'll put up videos of them later. So there's the car. It looks like the motorcycle fits inside the car, the police car. So they come apart. You see that? And then there's the little tower, little mini tower. So I'm gonna take this staff and build it with them. We'll see how it goes. It says 3+ junior builders, 31 pieces. So we'll see. He's about 3.5, and she's like 2.5. All right. So we'll bring it down and see how it goes.
Wow, a cake!
Here, stay up here. We have to build it.
I want to build it. Shake it for Big Brother.
Yeah, it is. It's a little tab right here that pulls off.
I like it. I like it.
Yeah, it's good. Alright. A little instruction manual that says how to do everything. So, here we go. First thing is put the wheels on the motorcycle. Right here. Next thing, did you grab that piece, please? I dropped the piece I need. Good thing I have a helper. Right, put it right here. Put it on this pot. Alright. Here, let me show you. It goes right here. Okay. Next step, lights. Put the lights on. And now, here, open up Chase. Now we put Chase on the motorcycle. Let me show you. This is the motorcycle. Here's Chase. You look. He moves, opens his legs. Pretty cool. Here's the head. Right, here you go. Now we're going to build the car. Yeah, it's cool. All right, here. Don't do that part yet, okay? All right. So the back of the car. This piece right here. Snaps right in. Now these two long blue pieces. They go right along the side here. So they touch the ones in the back. Next piece. Are these 2 plain ones. They don't have any logos on it. Some have logos, alright? So it goes on so far like this. Oh, one, I put the wrong one on. See, this one has the little police logo. Alright. Now, these two white ones with the logo. Here's the logo, the star. Yeah, this is the lookout tower. So far, it looks like this. Alright, we take this one, put it up front here. Now, here's the... What is this right here? What is this called? Do you know? It's the windshield.
It's a windshield.
See, it has to be put it on right here. But there's still a little gap there, I don't know. Then, these logo has me going on the back.
To build a bigger lookout tower.
And now here's the completed product. See, it kind of sticks out a little bit in the back. Looks alright. Here's completed Chase. Alright, now we're going to do the tower. Alright?
And make it bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
Alright, make it bigger and bigger.
First step, get this long piece like this. Do it like this. Now, wants this one next to it. And you get these two pieces. Let me see. These two. No, the taller one, sorry. Right here. You have them interlock.
What's that?
Alright?
What's that piece?
Looks like this. Now, this one has the little arrow on the front. You put this right in the center. Now,
right.
next one is these blue ones. Put it right here.
I like it.
Now, we'll keep going. Now this longer one right across, it fits perfectly right here. Alright?
I'm not done.
Now, these two red triangle looking pieces.
I'm not done.
It's almost
I'm
there.
not done.
Then you put this other blue one on top, and then put that one on top. But have it facing this way. Yeah, have it like that. Did you get it?
Can't get it.
Here, let me help you. Hey, you got it. So here, let me just show this. Here's what the tower looks like. Tower. It says 31 pieces. Alright. Looks cool. Now, here's the cruiser completed.
Yeah, I like it.
Alright. It's pretty cool. And very easy to follow with the instruction manual. What's wrong? It's cool. Alice, let me see that one for a second. The tower. Once again, here is the tower. It's about maybe 6 inches tall. Maybe a little taller. Not bad. And look. And then once again, here's the car. Look, the motorcycle comes out.
Hey, clean that.
Alright, let me fix it. It came apart. Alright. Alright, so that's the Chase Mega Bloks. What is it, the cruiser?
Yeah, it's the police cruiser.
Alright, it's the Mega Bloks Chase's Police Cruiser. Alright, and that's all for our video. If you like our videos, please subscribe, and we'll keep making more. We have a couple more of the Mega Bloks ones that we put out soon too. Alright.
I like it thing.
You like building it?
Yeah.
So these...
Siren.
It's what?
Siren.
There's sirens? What else is on there?
Wheels.
What color are the wheels?
Black.
They're black. Alright. What else is on there?
Red. They're red.
Oh yeah. And where's the tower? What's on the tower? Does it look cool?
They're yellow.
Yeah, there's little yellow arrows on it, as you can see. Alright, so that's all for our video.
They're real yellow.
Yeah, so that's all. We're gonna...
They're more yellow.
Yeah, there's more yellow. Alright, so once again, please subscribe if you like our videos. We'll keep making more. Just hit the button now, and we'll do some more later this week.